Hello students, now we are going to learn a new concept that is subtraction. Already we learned addition. Addition को हम पहले learn कर चुके हैं. I hope कि that is concept is clear. Now we are going to start new topic that is subtraction. Subtraction means minus. This sign we are using for subtraction, minus. Okay. Now we are going to perform these sums on abacus scale. कि हम कैसे सब्ट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं अबैकस स्केल में. टुडे वी विल लर्न दिस न्यू कंसेप्ट. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट सम लुक एट हियर. फर्स्टली ऐड 2, मतलब हम अबैकस में कुछ ऐड करेंगे तभी हम कुछ सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे ना उसमें से. सो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू ऐड सम नंबर्स, आफ्टर दैट वी कैन परफॉर्म सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो फर्स्टली ऐड 2. This sign, look at firstly this sign, this is plus sign. Plus sign indicates addition. So add 2. Now firstly check that your abacus scale is clear. Yes, it is clear. Now add 2 with the help of thumb. Add 2. 2 is added. Now again add 2 with the help of thumb. Add more 2. Now how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 is added in the abacus. Now this is subtraction sign. So subtract 1. It means now one bead we have to remove, subtract, and subtract always start from the lower side. So 1 we have to subtract. So with the help of index finger, subtract 1. Now count the beads. 1, 2, 3. How many beads are there? 3. Right here 3. This is your answer. Okay. Now look at the second sum. Firstly check your abacus scale is clear. Firstly clear it. Now it is clear. Now look at the second sum. Add 2. Firstly add 2. For subtraction we have to adding something. So add 2 with the help of your thumb. Add 2. Now 2 is added. Now okay. Subtract 1. Firstly look at this symbol also. Okay. Subtract 1. So with the help of your index finger subtract 1. Subtraction we always done from the last number. Okay. Which number is added? Now 2 1 added in the abacus. So subtract, if you want to subtract 1, so firstly subtract your last one bead. Subtraction, now 1 is only, 1 is there in the abacus. Now add 3. Add 3 with the help of thumb. 1, 2, 3. 3 is added. Now count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here. This is your answer. Now look at the third sum. Firstly clear your abacus scale. You can start this from this unit place also. These beads, all the beads indicate the unit places. You can start from here also, no problem. You can always, no need to start from here. You can start from here, you can start from here. Okay. Now third sum is plus 3. Firstly add 3. Now we are going to start from here. Add 3. 1, 2, 3. Add 3. Now minus 2. Minus 2 means 2 beads we have to remove. So with the help of index finger 1, 2. 2 we removed. Now minus 1. So again remove 1 bead. Now how many beads are there in the abacus scale? No one is there. So your answer is 0. Understood? If no one bead is touching, कोई भी bead इधर आंसर लाइन को टच नहीं कर रहा है, तो इसका मतलब आपका आंसर क्या है? 0. So write 0 here. Now your fourth sum is there. Now firstly check that your abacus scale is clear. Yes, it is clear. Now add 2. Firstly add 2 with the help of your thumb. 1, 2. 2 is added. Yes. Now minus 2 means remove 2 beads. So with the help of index finger remove. Nothing is there. So add 4. Now 4 with the help of thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is added. Your answer is, count the bead first. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many beads are there? 4. So 4 is your answer. Okay. Now your fifth sum. Clear the abacus scale? Yes, it is clear. Now look at your fifth sum. Now firstly add 3. So we are going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 we have to add. 1, 2, 3. 3 is added in the abacus? Yes. Now add 1. Add 1. Yes. Now 4 is added. Now subtract 2. Means 2 beads we have to remove. 2 beads हमें subtract करने पड़ेंगे. तो इसका मतलब आपने 2 लास्ट वाले beads को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है, नीचे करने का मतलब हम इसे सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं। तो कितने बीड्स रह गए अबेकस में, 1 और 2, सो राइट 2 हियर, दिस इज योर आंसर। नाउ योर सिक्स्थ सम, फर्स्टली क्लियर योर अबेकस स्केल, या इट इज क्लियर। नाउ योर सिक्स्थ सम इज add 1. Firstly we are going to add 1, so 1 is added. Now add 3. Always add lower beads with the help of thumb. Add 3. Now minus 2. Minus 2 with the help of index finger. 1, 2. How many beads are there? 2. 2 beads are touching with this answer line. It means 2 is the answer of this sum. Now look at your seventh sum. Add 4. Add 4 with the help of thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is added. Now minus 2 means 2 we have to remove. So 2 beads with the help of index finger, 1, 2. Now 1 also removed. So 1 more bead we have to remove. How many beads are touching with the answer line? Only 1. So 1 is your answer right here. Now your 8th sum and your last sum. Now add 3. Firstly add 3 with the help of thumb. 3 is added? Yes. Now minus 2, subtract 2 with the help of index finger. 2 is subtracted, and now add 1 more. So 1 bead we have to add with the help of thumb. So how many beads are there touching with the answer line? 1 or 2. So 2 is your answer. Hope that concept is clear. Okay, now you have your abacus books. So solve this part at home. This is your page number 25. So solve this sum at home. This is our today's concept. Thank you.